Alright guys, here we are. We're down here at the shop, getting this booth all cleaned out best as you can. Like I said, I know this is not a top-notch booth here, I'm aware. But this is what I got to work with. So we're gonna get this bitch cleaned out, blowed out, you know, just clean as best as we can. I'll get all my parts set up. We're gonna be hanging probably the doors on this big piece of shit. We're gonna be hanging everything, you know. I'm gonna try to do everything in one shot, so there's gonna be a lot of parts. It's gonna be a lot of painting. But yeah, my son is in here cleaning up for me a little bit. Appreciate that. If you've seen, I did do my adhesion test and it was totally fine. You can see I cut some hashes in there, you know, with a razor blade and put a few pieces of duct tape and was not able to pull any of the paint apart. I know some came off the fender, but that's probably because I didn't prep it that well. And now I'm over here cleaning up my guns. This is my paint gun. That's what I'm going to be using to paint. This I use for clear. They're both antique and outdated, but that's what I got. So yeah, I'm going to keep cleaning up. I'll show you guys once we get everything hung up and set up. Like I said, I'm just going to set everything up today. Get everything ready as if I could just start painting, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna leave the heat up nice and high, probably around like 78. So it's nice and warm in here in the morning. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, let all the dust settle, come back in, just tack everything off, hit it with the static gun, and let the paint start flying. So that's the plan. That's what we're doing right now. All right, here it is, guys. This is my clear gun, the Jet RP. It's an old gun, probably around 20 years old, maybe. I'm not sure about this one. My paint gun's definitely over 20 years old. So don't think you need brand new shit to do nice paint jobs. But here it is, all broke down, taken apart. So I'll meticulously clean all these things and get her cleaned up and put back together so we can lay out some fucking nice slick paint. Here it is, guys. We got it all set up. Things will be moving around as I paint them. So it's pretty crowded in here, but I want to get all this shit shot. I'm about to blow it off one last time. I'm going to clean it with some pre-cleano, wax and grease remover, and then we'll tack it off, hit it with the stat gun, and put some sealer on it. It's Sunday morning, about 8 o'clock. So we got her all set up yesterday, and now we're about to get her painted. Here we go. All right, guys, got her all based out. Everything is painted. We're just letting it dry a little bit right now. We're gonna let it dry out. We're gonna tack it off and start hitting it with some clear coat. That's really gonna bring it alive. It's really gonna start to look good once we put some clear coat on it. So stick with me here, and you're gonna see some freshly painted shit here pretty soon. All right, she's tacked, ready to go. We're gonna start hammering some clear on here. Here we go. There it is, all done. You guys just watched me paint the majority of the body. Now we're gonna be moving on to the reassembly process. Oh yeah. Shit looks good. Hope you guys stay tuned to watch the reassembly. Hoping to get her together. Get her out on the track this year. I don't even know what to say, guys. This paint job has been like 20 years in the making, literally. So this is a big moment for me. I'm really excited. I got a shitload of work to go, but I've gotten a lot done. It's literally hundreds of hours leading up to this moment. And I couldn't sleep last night. Stomach was upset, but you know, we got her done. I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think. You know, leave me a comment. I can't wait to get this thing together and see what it looks like all together, man. It's gonna look good. Thanks for watching. You guys have yourself a good day.